guys, Paul
and Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. We made it. We're in the Kohana Wild area, and we're actually on waterfalls right now. We're at Table Falls, and we walked down.
Crisscross.
Yeah, crisscross over through here, and we're experiencing the falls here in Table Falls outside of the Kohana Wild area on Route 876. I probably got that wrong. But anyway, it's the Kohana Highway, or Kahana they call it. I'm used to Susquehanna, but they call it Kahana here. So we're just exploring Table Falls. Awesome. Big rocks. Beautiful boulders. Fun walk down. Not too bad. We'll see if I can show you a little bit more. Up here. All right. Just walking across all these big, awesome boulders. Look at this crystal clear water. You can almost see Marge, pretty much way up there. She's parked way up there. We came down. And there's Ryan. Let's see if we can get up over here. Alright, get away from the falls and we'll walk down. Walk down. Ryan has a bad leg right now, so she can't do too much stuff. But we're exploring the Kahana area. Went to the Iron Rail Bar. Awesome place, really good food, nice people. Here we go. And we just went to the Kahana Lodge as well. Again, super friendly, awesome people. Didn't eat there, but the menu looked amazing. So I have to go check that out later. We're heading to Meadix. We've been there before. And then we might actually go to Cinnamahoney, one of our favoriteest places in the world. Look at that. She's filming me, I'm filming her. Things are happening. Don't cross the streams. That's a hell of a picture. Alright, so this has been a little glimpse at the Table Falls area and the Kahana Wildlife area. So, pretty fun start to an adventure.
We're on a rock again.
We're on a rock. Anyway, this has been Paul
and Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.